How to identify places of stop loss hunt by using cumulative delta. Main reason why such place is so important, because quite often price make exactly accurate reversal after big stop loss hunt. Let me show to you by several examples. First, let's cover this real trade on BTC short. It is my personal trade. I tried to take short. It was exactly here at this price at high. And I closed until this moment. I thought price would make a bigger drop. What was the main reason why I took a trade? Because have a look here on this picture. Exactly at this re-high, super positive delta. What this stuff means for all of us. Before I share, write in the comments your thoughts why this stuff is so important. Globally, cumulative delta shows to us that here stop losses of sellers taken. What this means and how it works. Imagine a lot of people that took short here, where most of them hide their stop losses. Most of them hide their stop losses, of course, above previous high in this area. It is not one single level, it is area, because Bitcoin trade a lot of people from our planet, millions of people. And when sellers force to get out from their position, exchange, buy back, it is buy order. When you close long, it is sell. When you close short, it is buyback. Why this stuff is so important for us? Because whales, institutional traders, use this as opportunity to grab that liquidity. Because imagine you work in some institution and your average position size 5,000 BTC contracts. For you, you need a place where you can grab a lot at one place, and that places it is such stop loss hunts. And what you can do by using those orders, you just set sell limit orders and you build your short position, and after that you can start move price into your favor because you already have really big back. About delta, have a look here, even these two examples. This one, have a look, price did real low and after that super negative delta and reversal. The same here, price, what price did? Re-high of this level and super positive delta. It is real clear example of stop loss hunts. My friend, before I share with you second really powerful example, below this video there would be free link to our PDF manual about our strategy. Download and learn how to trade order flow. Also join Discord where we share such lessons, analysis that will help you become profitable. About second example, it happened yesterday. Have a look what happened here. Price of BTC globally were in the middle of this volume profile area. For you, I prepared lessons about volume profile. Whole playlist will be in description. And have a look at what happened here. Exactly here at this high delta. Have a look how delta jumped so much. Have a look on this part. Why is this stuff really matter for us? Because tell me who would really start buying BTC here in this area. In most cases, it is people that built their short position and were forced to get out by stop losses. And when they get out by stop losses, they what do? They do buy with market. Because stop losses, it is buy market orders. And because of that, delta jumped so much. And have a look what price did. Price stopped, and price only because of news did this additional stop loss hunt and started moving exactly opposite. Because whales, big institutions, used this opportunity to build short position because they have one place where they can grab really a lot of orders. They can build really big bag at one single place. Because imagine you would like to buy at this moment 10,000 contracts of BTC. Try. Your average price would be like this. But here in a tiny place, you build really large order. Have a look how on volume profile all of this area looked like. It was exactly center. My friend, thank you for watching, and at this moment I prepared for you additional lessons about cumulative delta. If you would like to dive deeply and learn more about this tool, there would be lessons that we prepared especially for you. Watch right now and learn more. And also share in the comments, maybe you would like me to do additional lessons and ideas about cumulative delta. Thank you for your time.